Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Galaxy A34, and now I'm gonna show you how to make your device faster. So your device is starting to slowing down, or because you have lowered your storage over the 70%, or you have the lack of RAM, or you have a lot of harmful files on your device. So let's start. Firstly, just open the settings, then scroll down, find your battery and device care, find your storage, and as you can see I have used only 24 gigabytes, or 24%, but when you will fill up your storage over the 70%, your device will start to slowing down. So if you have filled your storage over the 70%, you will need to free up the space on your device. So just remove unused applications, or I don't know, back up your photos and videos to the cloud storage, and then you need to check your memory. So all processes are running at the moment are running in RAM, so just check your memory. And here, as you can see, we have 3 active apps in the background. So in the background is working X icon changer, parallel space, Avast mobile security, and other apps. Of course, I have no more a lot of apps on my device, but you will have it: Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram, Signal. All of these apps are working in the background on the device and consuming your RAM. So here again, the winner, ones who invest in the device with a more temporary storage. But if you will open your battery and device care, then choose memory. Here you will see RAM Plus. In this way you can extend your RAM using your normal storage. So it's really beautiful way to improve your device your device performance. Okay, so let's check the battery. Here we have the power saving mode. If you will enable power saving mode, in this mode, as you can see, your CPU, your central processor, will limit it up to down to 70%. So if you want to use power saving mode, just disable this feature, or do not open the power saving mode, and that's it. And harmful files. So all Samsung devices have pre-installed Google Files application, but I don't see it. Just try to find it. Oh, we have the Google Files application. Oh no, we have it in the normal storage. So open files, open analyze, and here you will see the large files and recycle bin. So we need now a recycle bin. So as you can see, I have I have nothing in recycle bin, but something in the recycle bin. You have large deleted files, so you need to clear it. And here you will see large files on your device, in the downloads, in the documents, files that you don't need enough. So just find these files and remove it, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.